Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a new wig sleigh. I'm going to be using Marchqueen hair. I'm just measuring the sides of the little container, and I measured all the way up to the third line. I'm going to be taking the orange blaze, and I'm going to be taking 1/4 cup of the orange blaze, and I'm just going to mix that in. And this is just going to be like my dark root, and then it's going to ombre into like a sunrise color. And I do about 5 drops, or no, maybe I did 3. I either did like 3 or 5, I don't know. It needs to be like super light. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut that off because it was all stringy at the end, and that's not cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the color, and I'm just doing my whole dark roots. And honestly, like if you want it to be darker, you can always just apply the sunrise by itself. So I ended up doing that on the sides. I just did the sunrise with the conditioner. And then when I got towards the center, which you'll see here in a sec, I went ahead and applied the sunrise just by itself, no conditioner. Because I don't know, I just thought it would be dope to have it dark kind of in the center, and then on the sides have like some super dope highlights. So yeah, so right here is when I just applied the sunrise by itself, no conditioner, and as you can see, it's more intense. This is optional. So I'm just going to keep coloring, and also I'm going to do the same on the other side. When I get to the other side, I'm just going to do the sunrise with the conditioner, and I'm just going to apply that to the roots as well. Now that I got my roots taken care of, I'm just going back and I'm adding the sunrise orange, and it's just a very light tint orange, and I thought it was going to be super dope at the ends. So yeah, I'm not going to show you guys how I did the back. It's the same routine. I went sunrise orange, or no, I'm sorry, I went orange blaze at the roots, and then I also went the sunrise orange at the end, and that is how I created my ombre. Let's get into installing this unit. Today I'm going to be trying out a new technique by using just Spritz to lay down my frontal. So I'm going to see if this is going to be a slay or a fail. So let's go ahead and get started. As you guys all know, I just used the airbrush leg technique on my frontals, and I just wear a black cap, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so far with me just gluing this part down, like, girl, I am impressed. So in the beginning, like, I was struggling a lot because I needed to have this on heat and not cool. Honestly, would recommend you do this on a bare face, but this is a lot quicker. Like, the spritz technique is a lot quicker than gluing, even the got to be glue. Like, this is a lot quicker to me. I'll see how my sides do and I'll be right back with y'all to see if it works. And I like how with spritz all you have to do is apply some water and get it off your head. Okay, so now I may be wearing lace frontals more often. I don't know, this makes it so much easier. So shake it up, and I'm using Pump It Up Gold. Like, this is so old school, and I'm just going to, my whole thing is like getting the spray on me without getting it like on my face. So I shouldn't have did my face. I should have waited to do my makeup. But so make sure you have a towel, because it will like go down your face. So now I'm about to make sure that I get it like up here. There we go. Now I'm about to like move it forward. I'm liking how this is looking. Like, once again, no glue. This looks good. I like it. So I'm about to go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll be back.
For a reason, some for a season, and this season may be the reason that I'm leaving. And when I leave you, you just gotta let me go, cause it'll hurt you more. I was hurting for a while, I went the extra mile just for you to call bitches on the phone. I went and gave you, I guess you thought you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This pretty much completes this install and tutorial. I will give the spritz technique 2 thumbs up, because just knowing that I can snatch this off at the end of the day, and then also when it comes to cleaning your frontal, it will not be such a hassle, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited this worked out for me. The only thing that I would do different, I would not apply my makeup until after, because it was just running all on my face. But yeah, I am enjoying the results, and my wig, my frontal is laid. I'm so excited. This hair is from Marchqueen hair. I believe their 613 is fairly new. When I first started reviewing from Marchqueen hair, I don't think they had 613 hair, so I think 613 hair is new on their site. I'll give you guys an update in my next one on this exact unit to see how the shedding is. But so far so good. This hair took the color so well. I didn't have any issues. The hair is soft, it curls, and I really love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Look, boy, I love you, but you ain't the only sign in the zodiac. I said you ain't the only sign that could show me that. I know you ain't the only sign, and you show me that, on multiple occasions. You always keep